Hey YouTube, it's Joel with My Time to Shine, and I got my first pocket letter, and it is from the Pink Zebra, and she's from Canada. So I just wanted to show you guys, it is so pretty. I'm so used to making them. This is the first one I've gotten back, and it's so exciting. I know it doesn't take much to get me excited. It looks like she did like a cake theme or a dessert theme. First thing is this one. It has an ice cream cone on it, and it has sweet is the word. So cute. And then on this one, she has sugar and spice and everything nice, and then a cupcake and a donut. And this one, she has cakes, and it's adorable. I love how the cakes looks. And then down here, she has one that says treats. It's like an ice cream bar, and it's really, really cute. Really cute. And then the middle one has a really pretty flower in it, and it says, "Hey friends." So that's really cute. I like that a lot. And then this one is "Have your cake and eat it too," and it has a pretty little cupcake on it. And a few of her embellishments I really like the ladybugs. I really like the ladybugs. And then there's another one. And then I like her gems too. I just bought some new gems today at the Dollar Tree. So then this next one is hello, hi, hello. And it is, where'd it go? There it is. It's like a I don't know, like a tag or something. But it is has something on it, which makes it really pretty. And then this one is a cupcake one, and it again is really cute. The cupcake, sugar and spice, and the cupcake here, and then sugar and spice. It's really cute. I like that one a lot. And then this is the last one, and it is an ice cream cone. And I like how she used the striped paper. It's really pretty, and it says friends, friends. So that's the front of the pocket letter. And I might have inadvertently got the pocket near the bottom. I might have not have gotten that in the picture, so I just went ahead and did one more run through. And here's the exciting stuff on the back. She gave me some, it looks like some crowns to use. She gave me a paper clip and a clothespin. And then she gave me all these tags. And then there's this little gingerbread man on them. I want to open it and let you show you everything that I got. But those are the tags that I got. So cute. And then this one has ice cream cones in it. Oh, it's so adorable. I can't wait to use those ice cream cones. And this is the private letter from her. I already read it. You're an awesome person, Pink Zebra, and I wish you all the luck in the world. And then I got a couple of these flower cutouts. It looks like a couple more tags down here. Maybe stickers, I'm not sure. I'm going to get it all out and show it to you out. And then she sent me some washi tape on a tag. And then over here is It looks like fish or ducks or something. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to look at it. So let me get everything out and show you what I got. Hold on. Okay, here's the front of the pocket letter again. And then I got all the goodies out of the back. I love how she did this paper. I have a pair of these pinking shears or whatever they're called, and I can't use them to save my life. So that's really pretty. And then she sent me a gingerbread man or boy and a paper clip, or a clothespin actually, it's not a paper clip. And then she sent me some crowns, and you know, if you know me, I love crowns. And then she sent me a pink paper clip and a little, this clip is magnetic, so it can go over things on your pocket letter. She sent me 3 of these ice cream cones. They're felt. They feel really nice. And then she sent me these princesses. It took me a minute to figure out what they were, if they were princesses. And then she sent me this little donut, sticky. It's not sticky, but you know, it can be used for sticky. And then she sent me this tag with 3 different washes on it. And then she sent me these flowers. It looks like she may have cut them out herself, so, or she has a punch. They're really, really cute though, the flowers. And then the last thing are these 3 tags. And I love tags that are unusual, so those 3 definitely fit the bill. So this is my first pocket letter, and I enjoyed it very much, and I hope to swap with Pink Zebra again sometime. I know she has a lot going on right now with all those puppies. So give me a thumbs up if you like pocket letters, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.